Hello students, welcome to this class on the tattered blanket part 2. In the previous class, we have seen who came to see his mother and sister after a long time and how did he come by and who was sitting on the veranda and who tried to get up. So we have discussed all these questions and their answers also. And in this part 2, we shall continue with the second part of the lesson, the tattered blanket in your A reading. Right. Shall we move on to the passage? Right. Right. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thing. I would not dream of making her unhappy. Look at this paragraph. Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Yes. When Amma, Gopi's mother, heard somebody talk, she asked Kamala, Gopi, oh, Gopi has come home. I can't believe it. Oh, quite unimaginable. I can't believe it. I can't believe that Gopi has come home. Has his school closed for vacation? So, Amma is not in the present actually. Her memory is not in the present situation. She went back to the school days of Gopi. She is thinking that Gopi has come home on vacation because his school has closed for vacation. She is thinking like that. That's why she is asking Kamala like this. Oh, I can't believe it. Gopi has come home for vacation. Vacation. What is the meaning of vacation? Yes, holidays. Actually, right. So mother is thinking like this. That she is thinking that Gopi has come home for vacation or holidays. Okay, right. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained. So Kamala, Gopi's sister, she started explaining the situation of her mother to Gopi. Right? Amma is often like this these days. Amma is often like this. Frequently, mother's position is like this. Her condition is like this. This means sometimes her memory is sharp. Sometimes she forgets things. Sometimes she has good memory. Sometimes she loses her memory. So this way, Kamala started telling Gopi about the poor condition of her mother. She doesn't recognize anybody. She doesn't recognize. Recognize means what? Identify. Sometimes she does not recognize or identify any person. Gopi's sister explained. That means Kamala told Gopi. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. What is the meaning of memory? Mother's memory is quite sharp sometimes, not always, sometimes. Ability to remember things or persons. That is what is called memory. The capacity or the ability to remember persons or things is called memory. Sometimes mother's memory is quite sharp. That means brilliant. Her memory works brilliantly sometimes, but usually she doesn't recognize anybody. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. Yes. Kamala is telling Gopi like this. Every day, mother asks me if you have written any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and kids. Yes. Even though I don't receive letters from you frequently, I tell mother that you are fine and your wife Vimala is fine and your kids children are also fine. And I tell mother that every day I receive a letter from you because I don't want to disappoint her. I want to keep her happy. So this way, Kamala tells Gopi, what is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thing. Yes. So from this line, we can understand that Gopi has not written a letter to his mother and sister for how many months? For 1 year. For 1 year, he has not written a letter to his mother and sister. So Kamala is reminding Gopi of the same thing. What is the point of telling? That means what is the use of my telling mother that you are not writing letters and you wrote your last letter 1 year ago? What is the use of telling mother? She can't understand that you are not writing letters regularly. That's why, poor thing, I would not dream of making her unhappy. I would not dream of means I would not think of making her means mother unhappy by telling that you have not written a letter for 1 year. I don't want to tell her and I don't want to get her disappointed. That's why I don't want to tell her anything about the facts. Okay. Kamala, she was explaining the situation or the position of mother to Gopi in this manner. Then Gopi started telling, he started giving his reply to Kamala. Yes, I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes, and there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Now, Gopi is giving his explanation, or he is giving his yes reason. Actually, he is giving his reason why he could not, why he is unable to write letters frequently, and why he is unable to visit his mother and sister frequently. Now he is replying to his sister Kamala. What are the reasons that he gives here? I got a promotion last year. I got a promotion last year. What is the meaning of promotion? Raise or advancement in job or rank. Raise or advancement in job or rank. That is what is called promotion. So that means I got a higher rank in my job last year. I was promoted last year. After that means after getting my promotion, I am always on my toes. On my toes means on toes means busy. On my toes means I am always busy with my job. I am always busy with my office work because I got a promotion last year. And there are tours. Tours means here office tours maybe quite often. That means yes, mostly I have office tours also. I have to go on office tours also. That's why I am very busy. Sorry, sister. That's why I am unable to write letters frequently. I am unable to come to you frequently. So this way, Gopi is telling his sister Kamala, I don't get any time to write letters. So because I am busy, because I am always on my toes, because I got a promotion last year, I have become a very busy person. I don't have time even to write letters to you. Then Kamala asks Gopi like this, why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she get any time to? Okay, you are busy, I can understand. But what about Vimala, your wife? Doesn't Vimala also not have time to write letters? Or doesn't she get any time to? Why don't you ask Vimala to write letters? So this way, Kamala questioned Gopi. So who is Vimala now? Vimala is Gopi's wife. Okay. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. So mother could not understand the conversation that was going on between Gopi and Kamala. And she did not know that Gopi had come to see her. That's why she was asking loudly, what are you mumbling over there? What are you mumbling means saying something unclearly and quietly in a silent way. Saying something very unclearly in an unclear manner, silent manner. That is what is called mumbling. In other words, you can also call murmuring or muttering. So what are you muttering? What are you mumbling over there? Kamala, what is going on there? Who are you talking with? So that way, mother questioned Kamala. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Again, she went back to her flashback. When she heard somebody come in a car, she wanted to know who had come in. Now also she is asking, she is repeating the same question. Who has come in a car? I heard somebody come in a car. Who has come in a car? She is asking Vimala. She was inquiring Vimala. I told you it's Gopi, Kamala told her mother once again. Amma, don't worry. It's Gopi. Gopi has come. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Again, mother put a question to Kamala. Gopi is not here. He is in Delhi. He is working in Delhi, isn't he? She put a question to Kamala. Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Yes, Gopi again. He told his mother that he had come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what is his wife's name? Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, lowering her voice. Lowering her voice means reducing the volume of her voice, reducing her voice. What is the meaning of lower? Reduce. What is the opposite of lower? Raise, increase in volume. Who did Gopi marry? Who is his wife? Amma asked Kamala, suddenly lowering, that means reducing her voice. I mean, what is his wife's name? I don't remember the name of Gopi's wife. What is her name? She asked Kamala. Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, District Collector Nambiar's eldest daughter? Gopi's sister said. So Kamala, she put a question to her mother. She asked her mother, don't say you have forgotten her name too. Vimala is your daughter-in-law, Gopi's wife. You don't remember her name also? You have forgotten? Forget. What is the meaning of forget? Fail to remember. So you have forgotten means you have failed to remember even your daughter-in-law's name, Vimala's name. Gopi's, she is the wife of Gopi. Don't you remember? Remember means what here? Yes, think back to. Forget opposite, remember. Think back to. Okay. Don't you remember Vimala, your daughter-in-law? Yes. District Collector Nambiar's eldest daughter. So Vimala, your daughter-in-law, is District Collector's daughter, and she is the eldest daughter of Mr. Nambiar. What is this Nambiar? He is a district collector, and Vimala is his daughter, and she is the wife of Gopi and the daughter-in-law of Amma, Gopi's sister. That means Kamala said. She reminded her mother about the name of Vimala and her father and his designation also. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Yes, I forgot that name. Gopi, the wife, the name of Gopi's wife. Was there a letter from Gopi? Did Gopi write a letter today? There was. He writes every day. Yes, Kamala. In order not to disappoint her old mother, she is telling her a lie. What is that lie? Don't worry, mother. There is a letter from Gopi today also. Every day he writes a letter. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. Mother is saying like this. I am terribly upset. Terribly means very, extremely, too much. Upset means worried, unhappy, disturbed. I get disturbed. I am totally upset if I don't get a letter from Gopi every day. So I should receive a letter from my son Gopi every day. Otherwise, I feel very, very unhappy. Who is saying these lines? Who is telling like this? Gopi's mother, Amma. Okay, she is talking to Kamala. He knows it. He knows it means Gopi knows it. Kamala is giving the reply. He knows it. Gopi knows that you get knows it. It means what here? That you get upset if you don't get a letter from him. That's why he writes letters. Oh, Gopi knows, Amma, don't worry. Gopi knows about your condition. He knows that you feel terribly, very much upset or worried if you don't get a letter from Gopi every day. He knows it very well. That's why he writes a letter every day. Don't worry, Amma. Kamala is telling her mother like this. Does it mean that Gopi writes a letter to his mother every day? Not at all. That's why Kamala is not happy with Gopi. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what is going on here, do you? Yes. Kamala, with a little bit of irritation, she's talking to Gopi like this. Look at the way she talks. Look at the position of Amma, how she talks, how she forgets our names also. Gopi's sister, that means Kamala, turned to him. She faced Gopi and she started talking to him. Just as I told you, I have told you, no, Gopi, this is the position of Amma. You don't understand about all these things. You know nothing about what is going on here. So this is the way I am facing troubles at home with our old mother. You are in Delhi. You don't write letters to me frequently. You don't visit us frequently. You don't know anything about anything about my position here and mother's position here. Do you? Do you have any idea about mother's condition here? So Kamala is talking to Gopi in this way, in an irritating manner. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again, Amma fails to recognize Gopi, no? That's why she is asking Kamala. Oh, I heard the sound of a car. Somebody has come in a car. Who has come in that car? Again, she is asking Kamala. It's me, Gopi. Gopi said, I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. Amma, I had attended a meeting at Thiruvananthapuram. From Thiruvananthapuram, I have come to see you. Gopi is telling his mother like this. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Yes, he is telling his mother. I thought I should drop in. That means I wanted to pay a short visit to you. I wanted to see you and Kamala. That's why I have come to you, Amma. Gopi is telling his mother. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? Amma fails to remember Gopi. Amma fails to recognize even his voice. That's why she is asking, who is your Amma? What is her name? What is your Amma's name? Who is your Amma? She is putting these questions to Gopi, her own son. Where does your Amma live? Where does she live? That means your Amma live. Is it far from here? That means is your mother's place of residence far from this place? Distant from this place? How far is your mother's house from this place? So she is putting all these questions to Gopi because she fails to recognize him. No, it is quite near. It is quite near means it is almost near. It is completely near. Or it is somewhat near. So Gopi is telling his mother because she is unable to recognize him. I don't know how I can bring back her memory, Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Look at this word, exasperatedly. What is this mean? What is the meaning of this word exasperatedly? Impatiently, irritatingly. విసుగ్గా కోపంగా ఎవరు అంటున్నారు ఇక్కడ కమలా గోపితో అంటున్నది అనమాట ఏమంటున్నది ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ఐ కెన్ బ్రింగ్ బ్యాక్ హర్ మెమరీ మళ్ళీ అమ్మకి మెమరీ అంటే జ్ఞాపక శక్తి మొత్తం పోయింది ఆమెను మళ్ళీ పాత స్థితిలోకి మెమరీ వచ్చేట్లుగా ఎలా తీసుకురావాలో నాకు తెలియడం లేదు బికాస్ యు ఆర్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ఢిల్లీ యూ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ అవర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మదర్స్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్ అని కొంచెం కోపంగా విసుగ్గా ఎగ్జాస్పరేటెడ్లీ అంటే ఇంపేషెంట్లీ అంటే కొంచెం విసుగ్గా చికాకుతో కమలా గోపితో అంటోంది అనమాట గోపి ప్లేస్డ్ హిస్ బ్రీఫ్ కేస్ ఆన్ ద తిన్నా ఆన్ ద సిట్ అవుట్ తిన్నా మీన్స్ వాట్ హియర్ సిట్ అవుట్ అరుగు మీద పెట్టాడు బ్రీఫ్ కేస్ ని he opened it and pulled out the contents opened the briefcase and pulled out that means he took out the contents means here the things kept within that briefcase yes pulled out that means took out and contents what do you mean by the expression contents means things kept within something see every day you take your school back to school no so what do you keep in your what are the contents what do you keep in the what are the contents in your school bag okay textbooks notebooks compass box what else yes your lunch box or whatever it may be so you keep certain things within your or in your within your school bag, no? So they are the contents in your school bag. So contents means things kept within something or in something, like a bag or box. Okay, right. Yes. Gopi placed the briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out. He took out some contents. That means some items from the briefcase he took out. What are the items that he took out from the briefcase? Clothes, files, and a shaving set. So those things he had kept in that briefcase, and he pulled out those things. Okay. Now let us move on to the comprehension part. Children, I think you have watched this part of the video, and I hope you have understood the items or contents that I have discussed so far. Now, are you ready to answer these things? Are you ready to answer the questions on comprehension? According to Kamala, how was Amma's memory? Yes. How was Amma's memory? According to Kamala, what did Kamala say to Gopi about Amma's memory? Yes, sometimes Mama's memory is sharp and sometimes it is dull. Sometimes she fails to recognize people, identify people. Okay, she frequently forgets things. So that is the way Amma's memory is. What would Amma ask Kamala? Every day Amma would ask Kamala, no? What would she ask Kamala? If Kamala received a letter from Gopi, or if Gopi wrote a letter to them. Okay, that is the way. రోజు లెటర్ రాసాడా లేదా అని అడుగుతూ ఉండేది అనమాట. ఎవరు? అమ్మ కమలా అడుగుతుండేది. హౌ లాంగ్ హ్యాడ్ గోపి నాట్ రిటర్న్ అ లెటర్ టు మదర్ అండ్ సిస్టర్? అతను లెటర్ రాసి ఎంతకాలం అయింది అనుకున్నాం మనం? 1 year. How long had Gopi not written a letter to his mother and sister? For 1 year, we have to say, right? What reasons did Gopi give Kamala for not writing a letter for 1 year, for a year? What did he say? Yes, he got a promotion. Yes, he was busy with his office work and he had office tours. So these are the reasons that Gopi gave Kamala for not writing a letter. Which expression is used to say that someone is busy? Which expression means, which phrase means busy? On toes. We have already seen on toes, right? Who was Vimala? Who was Vimala? Gopi's wife and eldest daughter of district collector Nambiar. Okay, right. Did Amma remember the name of Gopi's wife? No, she doesn't, or she did not. Who was unhappy on not getting a letter from Gopi? When she does not get a letter from Gopi, who feels very unhappy, upset, terribly upset? Gopi's mother. Okay, right. How did Kamala talk to Gopi? Yes, exasperately, impatiently. Okay, in such a way, Kamala talked to Gopi. What items did Gopi take out from the briefcase? Yes, clothes, files, and a shaving set. So those things he took out from the briefcase. So children, I think you have understood this part of the lesson. Just try to answer all these questions and go through the passage this part of the passage once again, and note down the meanings and try to understand them. They will help you a lot. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay.